Tonight, the rain is falling softly. The little town is quiet and warm. Raindrops are dancing on the window. Inside a small wooden house, a light is still on. A school bag is resting on the chair. Tomorrow is the first day of school. A little girl sits by the window. She listens to the rain. Her heart feels a little fast. She whispers softly, "What if I say something wrong? What if no one talks to me? What if the teacher asks me a hard question?" She feels nervous. She feels a little afraid. The rain continues to fall gently. A soft voice comes from behind her. "Are you thinking about tomorrow?" The girl nods slowly. "I don't want to make a mistake. I want everything to be perfect." Everyone feels nervous, sometimes. It is okay to feel nervous. Let's listen to the rain together. The girl closes her eyes.
Take a slow breath in and breathe out.
One, 2, 3. Your body can relax. Tomorrow is just one small day, a new day to try. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to be brave. Tomorrow will come slowly. You can walk step by step. I can try. I can say hello. I can smile. It does not look scary anymore. It is okay to grow slowly. It is okay to make mistakes. You are learning. You are growing. Her heart feels calm. Tomorrow will come. The sun will rise. She will try. Step by step. Good night. Sleep well. You are brave. Good night.